Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is not only is this not a video that I've not done in a long time, I've not actually done this trade for a long time, and I ended up actually stacking 3 positions. Now, again, it's not something that I've done for a very long time. I have actually slightly tweaked my strategy now. I'm now reintroducing swing trading because the setup is actually correct to swing trade. The price is operating in a much more expansive price range. It was a 200 point sell-off in pre-market. So I ended up taking the first position, then I ended up taking another 2 positions, okay, stacked. Ended up making €950 out of it. But listen, the market is absolutely ripe at the moment for swing trading, okay, but of course you have to have these big swings, i.e. these big price movements, i.e. a 200 point sell-off, so that's ideal. So the important thing about stacking is that you use small position sizes, okay, because you're going to stack. I'm not going to go into the process too much because I've done a video last year on stacking, so go and have a look at that if you're not sure what stacking is. But it was an absolutely incredible trade. I think I actually took something like 170 points or something like that. A truly incredible trade. Well, actually 3 incredible trades. It's a fantastic technique. It's something that I've not done for a very long time, and as I said, it actually feels good to be back into swing trading. This is what I used to do, you know, many years ago. Stopped doing it. I mean, you do, depending on the market conditions, right? You do have to slightly tweak your approach. You have to, you know, if you don't continue to evolve and you're going to stay stagnant, you're not going to progress. Okay, so yes, you do have to tweak. You know, for the last couple of years, I've just been intraday trading and scalping the opens, but more recently I've started to swing trade again. Now, not holding positions overnight, not holding positions for a number of days, literally just holding these swings, sometimes maybe for an hour, or you could hold them up, you know, for several hours. But the market conditions at the moment are ideal, absolutely ideal for swing trading. It's a wonderful technique, but you do need to make sure that you leave a number of points in between each position, because otherwise you could get cut out very quickly and very badly, okay? So be very careful when you're stacking positions. It's certainly an advanced technique. It's something that I mastered many years ago when the market was in the correct condition to swing trade. It seems to be back that way now. How long am I going to swing trade for? I have absolutely no idea. Absolutely no idea. When the market goes back to operating in a much tighter price range, I'll stop swing trading. So for the moment, it's there, and I will continue to do that. So let's see the trades, let's see the videos, but before I do so, make sure that you smash that like button, make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's sambora.00, or if you want to message me, you can email me at eduardosambora@yahoo.com. I also have a Telegram group now. I actually launched it 2 weeks ago, so if you want to know more about the Telegram group, again, you can DM me on Instagram or send me an email. Okay, so it's been an absolutely crazy afternoon. Crazy afternoon. From midday, we've seen a 200 point sell-off, right? So what I've done is, and I've not done this for a very long time, I'm actually stacked. I've got 3 positions stacked. So I'm currently up 30 points on this one. As you can see, much smaller position size. On this 36, well, 38 points now up on this position, 32 up in this one, and 17 up in this one. So you can see that I'm up, what's that, 3, oh, Jesus, look at this, unbelievable. This is nuts, this is, right, absolutely nuts. I wouldn't normally do this, okay, oh my God. Look at this, up 250 there on that one, up 200 on that one, up 140 on that one. This is, I couldn't tell you the last time I've stacked positions like this. Look at this, this is nuts, this is, well, this is unbelievable. 60 points on that one, 50 on that one, 35 on that one, look at that, unbelievable. We'll come back to this in a while. I'm actually going to do a video on this one. I've not done this, I've not stacked positions for a long time. A long time, so we shall come back to this. This is actually a great video. It's a great video to show as an example what stacking is like. Look at this, this is just nuts. Okay, let's come back to this in a bit. I need to concentrate on this one. Okay, we're back with this one. Mental, absolutely mental. Look at this. My first position up 50 odd points, my second position up 40 odd points, my third position up 30 odd points. Unbelievable, look. So overall I'm up €700. Unbelievable, look. €300 there, nearly €300 there, €200 there. Overall I'm up €750 now, stacking these positions. Unbelievable. Do you know, this is actually going to be a great video for my students, especially those of you in my Telegram group, because I've literally told you what I was doing half an hour ago, and here we are. I've stacked these positions up €600. Maybe I should just take it. What do you guys reckon? There was a massive pullback there. Look at a huge rejection. €612 overall. Look at that, because we've got 250 there, 240 there, 170 there. So I'm up €600 so far. €700. Do we just take it and run? Do we just take it and run? 54 points, 48 points, 33 points, €600 up. It's been a long time since I've done this, so I'm slightly out of my comfort zone here because it's been such a long time since I've done this. Look at this. Gee. Okay, where are we? So 60 points there, 55 points there, 40 points there, €700 in total. €737 now, look. 300, 300, 200 odd. Oh my god, overall I'm up €900. Let's just get out. Wait a minute. €960. Look at that there, look at that there, look at that there. I'm out. That's a grand. That's a grand. 1k. I'm done. I'm done. I am absolutely done. Okay, so this is actually my Telegram group. So I was saying earlier on that I was going to look for a long position. Look, we should see a huge recovery on the Dow in the morning session. Just a matter of catching a breakout. So the morning session being morning in the US. Okay, so I took a swing position. I'm going to take a very small position on the Dow. It should recover before the blah 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 long. Okay, look. So I actually took my first position just before the open. So then I'm talking about how I'm going to hold it, but that's more of a swing trade, not an intraday trade. I mean, I was up 34 points at one stage. I mean, you can see there, I've called it out before I've done it. I've actually closed that one 38 points. It was up 63 at one point, but there was a really fast pullback. I went back in again. Again, this is a swing trade, small position size with the intention to hold, which I did. I have two positions stacked. We'll come back later and see how we get on. I actually ended up putting another trade on as well, so it was 3. So I ended up taking just over €1,000, 3 stacked positions, 170 points overall. Sometimes you need to tweak your approach. You know, I got faked out a number of times. I think it was like 3 times in the morning in pre-market, 3 different times. Ended up losing something like 20 points, I think it was, which is a lot for me. I don't usually lose that many, but ended up, I mean, I lost 20 odd points this morning. I've made 170 back. Fair enough, it's not with the same position size, but overall, you know, up a grand for the day. You can't complain with that, right? You can't complain with that. And listen, this is full transparency. I'm telling these guys when I'm entering a trade, so it's full transparency. It's 100% transparent. Yeah, I'm done. It's been a challenging day. Came out on top as usual. 1k up for the day. Time now to just go and reflect on the day because it was a challenge.